Hey everyone, it's Tay with Full Leaf Tea Company. I'm super excited today. I'm going to share with you one of my absolute favorite matcha recipes. This recipe is a great replacement for those spendy coffee shop lattes, and it's actually super easy to make. With this recipe, we're going to be using our organic sweet matcha. This is one of our most popular matchas, especially for lattes, because it contains organic cane sugar. So you don't necessarily have to add any extra sweeteners or flavors if you don't want it to be super sweet. And if you don't have pre-sweetened matcha, any type of matcha will work great as well, like our organic premium matcha, our ceremonial. Either will work great. You'll just want to add your own sweetener. We also carry sweet flavored matchas, like our organic sweet matcha cinnamon. These work great for this recipe as well. You can use any sort of milk that you prefer. I like to use the unsweetened almond milk just because I'm able to kind of control how sweet or unsweet the latte is going to be. We're also going to be using our handheld frother. This is one of my favorite tools that we carry just because it saves so much time when making matcha and getting frothy milk and matcha. But if you don't have a handheld frother, a regular matcha whisk will work great for the matcha and the milk as well. You'll just want to make sure that the water and the milk are hot enough, otherwise you're not going to get much froth out of them. Now that we have all of our ingredients and tools, I'm going to start out with about 8 ounces of hot almond milk in a small pitcher. Then I'm going to use the hand frother and froth that for about 30 seconds to a minute, just until I get my desired amount of frothiness. And once you're done with that, you're going to grab your preferred cup or mug that you want the latte to go into, and you're going to add 2 teaspoons of the organic sweet matcha. Next, you're going to add about 2 ounces of just short of boiling hot water. And then you're going to want to froth that for about a minute as well, or until you have your preferred amount of froth. Then once you've frothed the matcha, you're going to add the milk. And while adding the milk, I typically like to add it kind of slowly in like a circle, just so it mixes really well with the matcha. And definitely try to get as much of that milk froth as I can. Next, I'm going to grab a spoon and mix it just to make sure that everything's completely mixed together. And there you have it, a perfect classic matcha latte. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below or reach out to us at fullleafteacompany.com. Thanks again. Cheers!